seems so long ago, so much we didn't know. Names and colors in the dark. Gone up at the crowds, our heads up in the clouds. Running mazes through our hearts. When all our dreams felt like concrete, we couldn't be shaken. Then all around, the world crashed down and cracked the foundation. Clocks keep ticking, everyone's spinning. Life's a prize that we should be winning. Burn the forest, they cannot fix it. Kill their roots 'cause they just don't get it. Time keeps ticking on. We're made of.
What is it about this place? Is it the roads, the river, the waters, or the amazing people? It's just so intense. Spending those countless hours under the stars, gazing at them. These aren't just memories. They're feeling. It's a need, you know. At least once in a year, visit the mountains and know it yourself. 'Cause I know for sure I am gonna visit them once again, someday soon. Very soon. I'm not gonna say anything. You know what to do, right? Just do it.
What are you doing?
I just found something that looks like a cheesecake. I'm just gonna.
Cheese? Are you crazy?
You gotta try this. Look. I'm getting a brain freeze, but this is tasty.
पागल है तू. पट्टी पड़ी है. This can't go on the vlog.
This is going on the vlog.